please confirm when you will see that we're live. Okay, hello everybody. We're welcoming you at the Friday Alpha Leaks from the Aurora team. Every week we're sharing some things that were done by our team during the previous week, and today we have a set of pretty interesting updates for you. First of all, I would like to say that we successfully launched the Gertie to near testnet Rainbow Bridge. As we shared with you several weeks ago, there are some problems with the Robson network, mainly because of the instability of the network. So we decided to move the testnet bridge from Robson to Gertie, right? So now the testnet bridge is in between Gertie and near testnet. And this week, we finally finished all of the tasks around this launch. So all of the developers who are testing their applications that are working with the bridge, that would like to work with the bridge tokens, now you need to do it through this new deployment of the bridge. And the good thing is that Gertie network is stable, and we don't see any major problems happening with it. So I hope you will have a little bit more stable development environment. Second thing that I would like to mention is that we were saying a week ago about the IOSG hackathon, and we were congratulating the participants and winners of the hackathon. I can say that our team reviewed all of the submissions during the hackathon and shared the feedback around it. Again, quite a lot of good stuff developed there. Yeah, it's time to go coding. And not only because of the IOSG hackathon that ended already, but we also announcing that Aurora is participating in the Meta Biddle hackathon that was prepared by the NEAR Foundation. This is a pretty big initiative that is covering the cities all over the world. It is not something. This is not an event that is fixed in the place. It is cross. It works online, right? And we have Aurora's challenge for all of the hackathon teams who would like to participate in the Aurora track. So our challenge is around Aurora to near cross contract calls. And if you're looking into these updates for a pretty long period of time, you probably know that Aurora works as a smart contract on top of Near blockchain, which means that there is an ability to interact in between Aurora smart contract and Near smart contracts. And moreover, many of the things around this ability are there already, though they are not documented. The reason for this is because Aurora is mainly a product for Ethereum ecosystem. That's why it's even it's just a nice addition to Aurora product that Aurora smart contract is able to interact with Near smart contracts. And we would like to offer you an option to go a little bit deeper into this direction and develop a solution that will be able to help other developers to do Aurora to Near cross contract calls. So please take a look at the challenge. It is there in the Aurora website, in Aurora's blog. There are quite a lot of information here with the acceptance criteria, submission requirements, and all of the stuff. So pretty nice thing out there. During the last week, we have seen that some of the transactions that were going over the Rainbow Bridge were not finalized correctly for the Ethereum to Near transfers, and some of the users have been seeing these problems. We identified the issue and fixed it. The issue was connected to the London hard fork, and it was occurring in not very often, so pretty rarely. So now this issue is not going to be an issue anymore. I would like to pass to Artur to update on the engine side.
Yeah, so we also had a little trouble this week with our testnet Web3 endpoints. Certain RPC operations had trouble, and on the developer level, this manifested as certain RPC calls seeming to get stuck, not returning a result. Also, certain view calls were returning a spurious error. On a user level, this affected MetaMask users in particular. We are in the midst of deploying a hotfix today that will remedy all this, and all the particulars will be documented in our public change log.
Thanks, Artur. And last but not least, just to mention to everyone, we figured out that the bridge tokens are unfortunately not following the standards of the metadata for fungible tokens on Near. This standard is called NAP 148. It corresponds specifically to the fungible tokens, as I said, which is the standard NAP 141. And because of this discrepancy, unfortunately, there is no way how one can set the icon for the bridge tokens. As you can see here, there are multiple tokens. This is you are seeing right now my wallet as.near, and you are seeing that I have multiple tokens in this wallet, and some of them are near native wallets, like this banana token, and it has the icon because it follows the metadata standard. However, for the bridge tokens like NDAI and USDT, these tokens are not having the icons, and unfortunately, there is no way how to set these icons. So we are working right now on the update of this. It's not going to be a simple update because this would require migration of the smart contracts. We need to be we're going to be pretty cautious in order to do this. However, pretty soon these things are going to be solved. I believe it should not take more than a month for these migrations. This is particularly important for the Near ecosystem because we see that right now there are lots of activities around Near native and bridged tokens happening on Near, and many projects are asking for setting the correct metadata, and they would like to do it. So unfortunately, if you're working with bridge tokens, there is no way how to set the icon. Though other fields in the metadata, like decimals, there is a way how to set it, and the name of the token and so on. So here, as you can see, NDAI, and the amount is correct one, and as you know, DAI has 18 as decimals, right? So this metadata is set here correctly. And from that point of view, everything works okay. Guys, am I missing anything in our update?
I think you hit everything.
Yeah. Okay. Probably that's it. Well then, I thank everybody for watching this video. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, let's see you in exactly 1 week. Goodbye.